I'm trying to learn bicycle repair, and I bought this book the other day, and I like it. There's a lot of good information in there. Probably the Bible on rebuilding bicycles. I'm not being paid to do a commercial for them. It's just, I like sharing my experiences with people. We'll put some pages here. There you are. And here's the back. I got it on Amazon, by the way. That's where I get a lot of my books. Excuse me. And this guy here, I listened to him on YouTube, and he is really good on getting the message out. By the way, thank you for checking on Scooter. He's fighting cancer. He's doing good. And he's over here making management decisions. That's my buddy there.